You okay? You alright? Oh, Faithlyn, you and Allison are dancing beautifully. Look at you. Slow down a little bit so you don't fall. Look at you. Stand in front of the mirror. Girls, let's see you guys in front of the mirrors. Whoa, beautiful. Daddy's going to be so happy to see this.
All set?
Yes, Faithlyn.
I need you.
Okay, what do you need?
Julia!